Hello and welcome to our podcast, Behind the Burger. Behind the Burger is intended to tell the stories of cattlemen and cattlewomen behind the beef on your burger. We will interview New Mexico ranchers and beef industry professionals throughout the state to tell the story of their operations and their love for raising cattle. We hope to bring you regular episodes and have already started traveling the state to visit the ranches and people that make up our beef industry. I'm Carol Ann Romo, the Executive Director of the New Mexico Beef Council, and will be your host throughout the podcast. It is my honor to serve the beef industry and consumers of New Mexico, and I'm very excited to tell the stories of an industry that I believe is built on family legacies, the passion for sustaining generational land, and the goal of providing high-quality beef products to help feed the world. The New Mexico Beef Council is funded by farmers and ranchers in New Mexico to promote beef via education, nutrition, advertising, and events. If you are interested in learning more about what we do, please visit nmbeef.com or follow us on social media. We are at nmbeef on Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube, and New Mexico Beef Council on Facebook and Pinterest. Follow us for recipes, chef videos, nutrition tips, ranching photos, and more. We hope you subscribe and join us as we tell the stories behind the burger. Whether it be a burger, a steak, or another beef dish, we hope you are enjoying beef at your next meal.